Let's learn how to divide the number 246 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract from 2 we get 0. Now as 0 is less than 2, that is why we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. Now this is the number 4, so remove this 0, and we know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract we get again 0. Now again 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down the next adjacent 6 here. Now this is the number 6. So we know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Subtract we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 246 divided by 2 is equal to this number 123. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.